It's mine. Yes, camera. You do cheesy grin. Where's cheesy grin?
She did have one.
Cheesy. Cheesy. Show those teeth.
She was gnashing her teeth.
Honey. Yep.
Isn't that funny when she sees the camera? She does that. So hysterical.
Look.
She was doing that the last time we were there, Chris. Doing that cheesy grin.
She started like right
Look at the
a couple
camera.
days before you guys got there.
Look at the camera.
Cheesy. Gwyneth. Oh yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, but
Pooh?
by the nose.
You gonna share? Yeah. Oh.
Are you gonna cuddle him? Yeah.
Is that your bear? What? What's that? Huh? What is that?
Man.
Honey,
What is that?
It's naughty. It's so gross.
you
Yeah.
can go downstairs.
Well, he has to fix my hand.
Honey,
He's gotta fix it. Piggy, fix it.
yeah. It's Rufus.
Look at
Hey.
his face.
Oh, oh, oh.
Don't
Can't
sit on Rufus. She was going to try to sit on Rufus.
Just on his tail.
She just went to like she was going to sit on a chair.
You have to watch.
Oh my
You have
goodness.
to watch him.
Rufus, it's okay, honey.
Poor guy.
Here, Casey.
He looks gets worried.
I don't blame it. That's a lot of weight on him.
That's not a light little kid anymore, is she? Oh, honey, it's okay.
Gwyneth just backs up and tries to sit on Rufus.
Yeah. What are you doing to the poor doggy, you, Gwyneth?
Is that your bear? Yeah?
Yep, that's bananas and cantaloupe.
Yeah. Cheesy.
You being cheesy.
Be careful, don't sit on.
Don't let her sit on Oh man, we need to get
Are you
her
gonna
chair of her own.
She wants it. Danica has a little chair.
Oh, yeah. That's what she needs, is a little
She
second chair.
loves
She likes that
thing.
placemat.
Yes, she does.
What are you doing
Yeah.
over there?
She likes stepping on it. Is that your bear?
Like, I'm going back to the placemat.
He acts like he thinks that's her place. We have to get her a little chair. That's just a heartbreak.
Ah,
Here, what should I do for my
Honey, she needs a little chair.
Please, can you just help me go to bed?
hey, I don't know what you are.
Oh.
What's the best thing for me to do for my hand?
Come on.
That's all I need to do. It has a butt
Did you hear
Well, you could poke the
clicking
bump
your
with something
teeth
if
together?
you
How do
really
you
want
do
to.
it?
What's the, I'm asking you what the best thing to do
I
is.
really don't know.
How do you hit in your head? What? Come here.
What, did you put something on it right away when you did that?
I believe that house.
Yay,
Ow,
Gwyneth,
don't,
yay.
honey, that really hurts.
That's your
That's
bear.
what you should have done.
That's your Pooh Bear.
I was trying to see if there was just a little skin flap there or what.
Piggy.
Well, then just put antibiotic stuff on it.
Opening that. Be careful. Yeah.
Kitty?
Band-Aid.
Is Piggy's cute. Yes, honey. They're all up there.
Piggy, are you okay?
Alright.
Poor Piggy. Yeah. Rufus isn't here to sit on. Yeah.